Contractors, dentists, make sure you use AI as your free estimate. So in person, like I had an issue with electrical, kept using the AI to try to figure it out, never could figure it out. What I had to do was actually take the whole electrical outlet out, found out that there was some still plastic pieces in there. But still, the work had to be done. The problem was solved, but now the work had to be done. So then that's when an electrician came in, got paid, and handled that problem. That's how you're going to have to use AI, sales and marketing, sales and marketing. Like Grant says, agree. We're going to use AI to solve it. I agree. Then they call you, hey, we used AI to solve it, but we still haven't solved it. Well, now the free estimate is over. So now you'll go over, you charge them for diagnosing the problem, the solution. You want me to do it, or you want to do it yourself, or you want to hire a contractor, but you will pay me for my time. So you make sure you get paid for your time, and that's how you keep getting money, keep getting money. You start pulling money forward. Subscribe more to.